Come on, be number 3.
Yeah.
Not number 42.
It's not a good life.
Hey YouTube, I got Josh the Goat here from the Goat Food Challenge page on YouTube and Facebook, and we're going to, collab. We're here at in Tamaqua at the Wheel. My first time here at this particular Wheel restaurant, but I've been to Pottsville quite a bit, and I enjoy eating their grilled cheese sandwiches. So we're going to go in and take on the XL challenge. Got anything to say?
I've never had a grilled cheese from the Wheel, but I am super excited from all the pictures I've seen, so I'm excited.
Awesome. Stay tuned.
Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch where you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize, I don't understand. Are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site.
All right, YouTube, we're here with Josh the Goat from the Goat Food Challenges page. Please go check him out. I'm very excited. I met Josh last year during the whatever, and we talked about eating some wings and stuff, and now we're able to get together here, and we're going to eat some grilled cheese here shortly. So they're talking, it's a 12-inch grilled cheese sandwich. They're saying it's like 5 pounds. We also have to consume a bowl of tomato soup and 6 croutons. I've done this challenge multiple times at the other Wheel restaurant in Pottsville, which it's been delicious and awesome every time. So I'm looking forward to it today because everybody can use a nice grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup on a rainy day.
Yes, and 30 minutes.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have 30 minutes to eat it. So
You gotta get it down in 30 minutes.
Yeah,
They've had over 30 fails, and only one person wins so far, so we're looking to be
at this location.
At this location.
Yeah.
We're looking to be number 2 and 3.
Definitely. I like 3. 3 is a good number. So.
Well, I'll be the 3. You'll finish first.
Oh, not necessarily. I don't know. So.
I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. All right, you can check out my channel. I'm sure you'll have a link in the description. The Goat Food Challenges. Anything involving food is,
Awesome.
is what I
Food's
video.
good, right?
Yeah, food is amazing. I mean, that's food and friends is what
That's
I
what
would
it's
say.
about. That's why I started Chicker Eats with Friends on Facebook. You guys should check out the group if you haven't already. And we're posting, everything from, farmers markets, home, grown produce to fast food. So, please go check that out on Facebook. And we can, you guys could join the group and join the conversation. Yeah, I'm excited about today.
Super excited. So glad to be here with you.
Thank you. Thank you. And it's just amazing to follow and watch what you do with your eating, tour and stuff. So you have a tour coming up too.
I do have a tour coming up. I'm going out to Ohio and back.
Awesome.
Yeah, I got a special tattoo hitting the melt in Ohio. I'm going to take on their challenge. You get 25% off.
If you have their tattoo?
If you have the tattoo, yeah.
But if you win the meal...
You don't, it's actually a pay to play.
Oh,
you get a gift card and a t-shirt, but it is pay to play, but at least I'll get 25% off.
I love it. We're going for the discount. So you gotta hang out with Discount D, right?
Oh yeah.
So, but he spent the money, he's losing the 25% on the tattoo.
Yes, but I mean...
Yeah,
I
it's a
get
great
the
tattoo. Yeah, it's a nice tattoo. So...
Now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna harm you like you're on the moon. I know you thought it was over. I know you thought it was finished. I know you think I'm a cynic, but you know this shit only business. People act different as soon as you win it.
2, 1. Go. Go.
See your face, no foreplay, so don't come up missing. Don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list. I'm keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive. Heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna
gentlemen, let me introduce to you that future. That future. That future. That future.
Y'all please hold the applause to the end of the ceremony. Let's go. Look around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners. On deck, take a swing, sharper senses, looking for a weakness in the system. Finally, it's you and me, here shaking like a tambourine. We in this finally, both sides of the cemetery. Attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out here. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we out here. That future hit. Are you ready? That future hit. Take a minute to refrain from acting green. If you're losing, you should join another team. Y'all should breathe, let me play another theme. At the start, this one nothing but a dream. Now it feels like victory, about to live another fantasy. Everybody clap with me, we're about to make history. Come on, attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out here. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we out here. That future hit. Are you ready?
Do you believe in magic? Here it's automatic. La da la da, ooh. Amazing how it's happening. Look here, mom, we made it. La da, ooh. That future. That future. That future. That future. That future. That future. Are you ready? That future hit. That future. That future. That future. That future.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why no water, death designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real, monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your...
Alright, so you completed 13
What was the time again?
just 13 minutes left.
Okay. 17 minutes in?
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, you got this guy. I thought you said you eat slow.
I do.
Well, eat. Alright, so I've done this challenge like 6 times now. 5 at the other restaurant. I've had 5 of the sandwiches, made differently. This bread, unbelievable. Don't pay attention to eat. They changed the bread. The bread was big before, the bread is really big now. Alright, I don't know how else to describe it. It's a lot of bread. Awesome. Awesome. The 7 cheeses, the soup is delicious. The crowd's awesome. We have other failed people in the crowd today. They wanted to come in. They should have watched us first, then they could have took the tips and, did their thing. I don't mean to call them out, but as we're filming the intro, it was like 34, 35, plus, people have failed. Now it's 40 plus people have failed. Just in the time that we were sitting here. So, unbelievable. They're doing a great job here in Tamaqua at the wheel. Josh is almost done. He has a few bites left. this challenge here, they have one that's 2.0. They put together for Randy Santel. It had a pound of kibasi on it and a pound of Mrs. T's pierogies on it. I think, and you got to drink a Yingling beer too. So if they do this as a 2.0, I'm definitely coming back because that's going to be a 10-pound meal. And you know, instead of just stopping for lunch, I'll stop in for dinner.
Yeah, you looking at the chosen one. I said you looking at the chosen one. I was made for this. You know that I was made for.
Come on, you got this. I think he overloaded himself with tomato soup
I
personally.
really did.
Rookie move. It's all good. He had a great game plan though. He brought his own dunking tray. Never done that in my life. And his own tomato soup to the restaurant. So I know it's kind of like bringing sand to the beach, but I think it worked for him. At least the first half.
Yeah.
You got
It's a lot of
this.
bread.
It is a lot of bread. I used to think there was a lot of soup at one point, but it's definitely a lot of bread.
Didn't run, stood my ground, then I won. Yeah, you looking at the chosen one. I said you looking at the chosen one. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this.
You get tear it up 4 chunks, and then you got 2 minutes per chunk.
I did thirds.
There you go. Now you got 2 3/4.
Sleeping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize. I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing. Don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner. You right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect conditions. Coming alive. Heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, 'cause I'm gonna hold you like an animal. I know you thought it was over. I know you thought it was finished.
Come on, last minute. You got this, man. Last minute. Come on, be number 3. Not number 42. 40 seconds. Come on, 30 seconds. You got this. You got this.
I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner. You right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to
You
the
got this. You got it. 15 seconds. You got this. 10 seconds. Come on. You got this. You got it. He's going to clear it out. Thank you to my sponsors, Bottom Boom, located in Blakesley, Pennsylvania, on 115 south of I-80. Check them out. Of course, Protocol Cigars, and everybody here at the wheel, the crowd that gathered to watch us make a fools out of ourselves, you know, cramming food in our face. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, everybody. And look for all Josh's info in the bio below. Ben's going to kill it writing that all up. So.
Well, that was rough. I'd used a little too much tomato soup, I think. 30 minutes, just got in time. Oh, that bread was massive.
It was a lot of bread.
Yeah, a lot of bread. That was my 24th challenge win.
Congratulations. I don't know what number I'm on. I lost count.
But thanks to everyone for cheering me on and pushing me right there at the end to get that down.
Now is the time.